Baby, can you do this for me? Yeah, get it walk on the beat. Bend over, touch your feet. Baby, can you arch it for me? Baby, can you do this for me? Yeah, get it walk on the beat. Bend over, touch your feet. Baby, can you arch it for me? Baby, girl, I'm the first that got woo. They know about me, you know who they do. Fix my shit, what's good? Step it down to your own. I can do the most like this.
Hey loves, hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. If you're new here, if you're just coming across the face for the very first time, my name is Favor Opara. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what 35,000 naira can get you in the heart of Lagos Island, Ikoyi to be precise. I'm going to give you a tour of this apartment, but before we do that, if you're just seeing this face for the very first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In fact, not just don't forget, just hit the button right now. It's free. Hit the subscribe button and join us on this channel. I have tons of interesting videos, interesting content for you guys, so please just stay tuned. A lot of travel videos are unraveling, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm so happy to have you here, and if you're an OG, if you've been here for a while, you know I love you guys, so thank you so much for coming back and keep watching. Okay, so now quickly let me give you the tour of this apartment. So yeah, after checking in, it comes with a key card and then a Wi-Fi password inside. So yeah, from the door side, we're going to go round like a 360 turn. Next thing you see is the TV. I reduced the volume right now because you know I can't be talking and volume will be loud too. So yeah, this is what this area looks like. Then from this area close to the TV, you have the curtains, and I don't know, I kind of love the aesthetic of this room. I love it. I love the quality. And yeah, then after the curtains, then you know we're going in a round like 360 angle, right? Then the AC, the bedside drawers with a telecom and bedside lamp, remote for the TV to increase the volume or reduce it, and some details here that I don't know if it's necessary. A lot of storage spaces and more storage spaces. Yep. So yeah, then now let's come to this area, the bed area, and this is what the bed is looking like. Ash color blends so well with the curtain. Let me give you a view of how it looks with the curtain. Like, this is nice, carefully thought of. And next on, we have this area, which is the mirror and desk area, and this is me. Yeah, so this is me, guys. Again, in your faces, purr. Let's get back to business. So yes, on this area we have the mirror, and God, guys, I love the lighting. Good lighting, like lighting is really nice for videos. So yes, and on this desk area, I love the wooden decor. Like, look at the aesthetic of the desk and that of the mirror. It's really nice. It's purr. Don't mind me, guys, I'm so super excited. But yeah, this is the mirror. I love the wooden texture. Like, I just love the aesthetics, the ambience. Then this is the table. Beside is the key card, then some serviettes, right? Sorry, tissue. Then a lot of menus. I don't think it's necessary to show all this, but yeah. Then we have a complimentary kettle and coffee, Nescafe or Lipton, with cups and water. And yes, this is what it looks like. And then see the food decks, the chair, and just below here are more storage spaces, and this is another storage space for the mini fridge. Nothing is inside yet, it's not on. So but yeah, mini fridge, and just beside this desk is trash can. And now let's go down to this path of the room, which is the wardrobe. This is so nice, so nice. More storage spaces, a lot of storage spaces. Same applies here. More storage spaces. I love wooden hangers so much. When I say I love the aesthetics of this room, I really do love it. And yeah, more storage spaces below. I just kept my books here. I'm gonna fix it soon. But yeah, now to this area, which is now the socket for the bedroom. So this is what the bedroom is looking like. Okay. So yeah, this is bedroom, heater, the towel hanger, the toilet seat. Nothing really much here. Then the tampered shower glass, floor towels, and yeah, that's just basically it. That's basically it for the bedroom, and that's that. So guys, there's also a socket in the bedroom. Tell me your thoughts about this place. I have the Aries Suites Hotel body lotion, bath gel, and shampoo, and they also have shower cap and Aries Suites Hotel soap. It's thoughtful, really thoughtful. Do you think it is, worth the amount? Do you also love it like I do? Tell me. So it's review time. Okay, for real though, this is a beautiful property, a beautiful design, and yes, I definitely need to talk about the customer service of this place. When I mean that their customer service is amazing, I mean it's amazing. Morning. So I already have a reservation. Yes.
Okay, yeah, well,
I have to wait. Yeah, I know. Check-in is by 12 now. Right? Check-in is by 12.
yeah, someone just checked out, so I'll get the house.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you. Hey guys, as I was saying, so I actually came very early. I might give you this gist in another vlog, but if you're interested, you watch my other videos, okay? During this travel period, actually, I just love the fact that they're just so nice. Helped me carry my bag. Really nice to me, and before I even knew it, the room was already set and ready for me, even as I came before 12, because normally that's when you check in. Okay, ready now. So you can see it with your own eyes, your two eyes. This place has other amenities that I'm going to be showing you soon, but it costs 35,000 naira for the standard room, and it has other prices. Just go on booking.com or hotels.ng and check out. This is their bar and pool area. It's really beautiful, and I think this is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, thank me for posting this video, and thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.